This is the Levelplay Combat Liquid 360 SE. It's a 360mm all-in-one liquid CPU cooler that keeps the same core design as the HUD model, but swaps the screen for a clean RGB ring around the CPU block with the Levelplay logo. The whole point of the 360 SE is to give you the look of a premium all-in-one, plus the cooling headroom you'd expect from a 360mm Radiator, without the extra fuss that comes with a display. Also, having no screen means you don't have to worry about a USB cable attaching to the screen, which then you have to cable tidy. It also means you don't have to worry about any third-party software. You can let your motherboard do most of the work. The Radiator is a 360mm Radiator in this version, but other versions are available, and it is 27mm thick, which is the common side most cases are designed around. The fan setup is built to make life easier. The 3 fans come pre-mounted as part of the Radiator assembly, so it saves on you fitting and wiring these separate fans one by one. That also means cable management is a lot cleaner because it's basically one PWM connection for the fans and one ARGB connector for the lighting. One thing to note is that the CPU block does have a separate PWM fan header that does not have an option to daisy chain it to the fans like you can with the ARGB cable. Fan speed is rated from 800 to 2000 RPM, and the quoted noise figure is up to 38 decibels. On paper, that puts it in the normal range for a performance-focused 360mm all-in-one. Lighting is a big part of the look. You get ARGB on the fans, and the main visual difference on the SE is the CPU block, which uses an RGB ring and the logo instead of an LCD screen. The pump design is focused on moving heat away quickly using a jet-style flow aimed at the cold plate area. The cold plate is copper, and the cooler includes a tube of thermal paste rather than having it pre-applied. Compatibility-wise, the cooler supports Intel's latest LGA 1851 and 1700 socket, plus AMD's AM5 and AM4 sockets. If you built with an all-in-one before, this is a familiar install, but it does seem quicker and easier to do than most. For AMD, you just remove the standard plastic brackets and use the included mounting hardware. And for Intel, you just install the backplate, then put the ring on the CPU cooler and then screw it in. It is actually quite simple. The logo on the CPU block is also rotatable, so no matter how you're mounting this, you can rotate the logo so it doesn't look like it's upside down. The box is mainly black with an orange pixelated effect on the top and bottom and around some edges. And the back and sides go quite in depth with features and specifications, as well as some very nice pictures. In the box you get the cooler, the mounting hardware for Intel and AMD, a printed manual, and a tube of thermal paste plus a small spreader as well as tube separators. Performance wise, while the cooler won't win any awards, it does come in around the middle of the pack on all counts, and in all honesty performs very well for its price. And for 99.9% of people out there, this cooler will cool down everything they throw at it. In conclusion, the Levelplay Combat Liquid 360 SE is a full 360mm setup. It has tidy wiring and strong ARGB styling. On top of that, it is also easy and quick to install. I hope you enjoyed this video, and no, I did. Why not check out one of our other videos by clicking this box up here, or this one just down here. Otherwise, you can give us a thumbs up, like, subscribe, comment below, let us know what you think, and we'll see you next time.